Hey guys, what's up? This is Mohammed Suleiman and hope you are all doing well. And today in this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to upload GitHub an existing Visual Studio project to the GitHub repository. For this, you need to have an extension for Visual Studio. I will place the link in the description, or if you are using the latest version of Visual Studio, you have already pre-install that extension in the Visual Studio, so you don't need to do that. But for you need to have another toolbar which is called Theme Explorer. If you don't see, just go to View and then go for Theme Explorer. Let's say we have this project and we have already changed a lot or made this project, but we want to upload that to the GitHub repository where you have already uploaded the project, but you have deleted the local repository and you want to sync these changes to GitHub repository. Let's say that I have already created a test repository for that. First you need to go to Theme Explorer and then clone. First you need to clone that repository which is already placed in GitHub. So let me just copy the code and place it here. Choose the desired folder. I want to place it in desktop. Make a new folder called local GitHub. Click OK and then clone. It will first clone your repository which is already on GitHub. Then we need to do a couple more steps to sync our new changes to that GitHub repository and maintain a versioning control. Yeah, there we go. Now we have to delete those changes because it's already there in the GitHub. We need to add the new changes which we have done in repository. For this you need to go to Visual Studio projects and test for GitHub. I have already opened that folder. You can find it according to your system, so I'm gonna paste these new files in the local GitHub repo. It's gonna take some time. Yeah, it's there. Let's see, we have to go to home and go for changes. Let's see what changes we have done. Yeah, there are a couple of changes which are not synced to the local repository. We have delete this controller and delete this as well. So you need to you need to place a comment over there. Let's see, we can say that save local changes, and you can commit one by one, but I'm gonna commit all this. And now you have to sync these changes, and after that you need to push the changes to the GitHub repository. All your changes are now synced with the GitHub repository. Either you have made new changes or delete some. Let's see and test those in the GitHub as well. Yeah, we got it. Save local changes is gonna tell us what changes we had. The file was deleted. It's gonna show us the changes in the previous version and the new version. Yeah, it's all there and done. This is a very short tutorial, and I'm gonna place an article for that as well, in which you can do it in less than 15 steps. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Goodbye.